Have you ever looked at a map and wondered where the next global flashpoint might be? Forget the usual headlines. Today, we're diving deep into the Horn of Africa, a region where a silent, high-stakes game is being played with drones, diplomacy, and billions of dollars. This isn't just a local scuffle, it's a hidden war for the future, and what happens here could ripple across the entire world. Let's start with the skies. The very nature of warfare in this region is being revolutionized. Imagine the arid landscapes of Ethiopia and Eritrea, now patrolled by a new generation of unmanned aerial vehicles. We're talking about Turkish Bayraktars, Iranian Mohajers, and Chinese Winglongs. These aren't just pieces of military hardware. They are game changers, offering sophisticated strike and surveillance capabilities that were once the exclusive domain of global superpowers. This drone proliferation is completely rewriting defense doctrines and shifting the balance of power, making old rivalries deadlier than ever. But the real conflict isn't just fought with drones. It's a complex diplomatic tug-of-war. The United Arab Emirates and Turkey are pouring money and support into developing strategic ports, each vying for a commercial and military foothold. Meanwhile, the United States is pushing for stability, trying to mediate long-standing tensions, while China continues its Belt and Road Initiative, funding massive infrastructure projects like railways and ports, effectively binding the region's economic future to Beijing. Everyone wants a piece of the Horn, but their goals are often indirect competition, creating a web of alliances and rivalries that is incredibly fragile. So, why all this interest towards Red Sea? The Horn of Africa guards one of the most critical maritime choke points on the planet, the Bab el-Mandeb Strait. A huge percentage of global trade, especially oil and gas, sails through these waters every single day. Control the ports here, like Assab in Eritrea or Djibouti's massive port complex, and you control access to this vital artery of the world economy. It's a geopolitical grand prize, and global powers are playing a high-stakes chess game to secure their influence over it. This isn't just about regional dominance. It's about global economic security, and where there's strategic interest, money always follows. Billions of dollars are flowing into the region. Djibouti has become a hub for international military bases and investment. The self-declared state of Somaliland is attracting major port investments. Ethiopia, the regional giant, is seeing huge inflows for infrastructure. But here's the crucial question: who really benefits? Are these investments lifting local populations out of poverty and creating sustainable growth? Or are they creating debt traps and enriching a select few, all while foreign powers reap the strategic rewards? The line between development and exploitation is dangerously thin. Beneath the surface of these visible power plays, there's another quieter war being fought, a war of intelligence and espionage. Foreign intelligence agencies are incredibly active here, using everything from satellite surveillance to cyber warfare to monitor rival activities, gather information on military capabilities, and influence political outcomes. The Horn of Africa is a hotbed of spies, data analysts, and cyber operatives. This silent game of surveillance is just as important as the drone strikes and diplomatic deals, shaping events from behind the scenes in ways we rarely ever see. At the center of this storm is Ethiopia, as the region's most populous nation and a historic power. Addis Ababa is performing a delicate balancing act. It's trying to maintain its strategic autonomy while navigating the competing interests of East and West. On one hand, it partners with China for economic development. On the other, it engages with the U.S. and Europe on security and diplomacy. How Ethiopia manages to assert its own regional leadership while juggling these powerful external forces will be a defining factor for the future of the entire Horn of Africa. Ethiopia stands at a crossroads, a nation with centuries of independence, military resilience, and diplomatic weight, now facing one of its greatest tests yet, surrounded by competing powers. From the Gulf states funding ports to global giants pursuing strategic footholds, Ethiopia must balance national sovereignty with strategic cooperation. Its choices in defense partnerships, economic alliances, and Red Sea access negotiations will not only determine its own destiny but could reshape the geopolitical architecture of the entire Horn. Whether Ethiopia emerges as a stabilizing leader or gets drawn into the tug-of-war of foreign influence will define the next chapter of regional power and identity in East Africa. It's a masterclass in modern geopolitics. This external competition is pouring fuel on the fire of long-standing regional rivalries. The deeply rooted tension between Ethiopia and Eritrea, which has recently seen both conflict and fragile peace, remains a major source of instability. Add to that the ongoing civil conflict and humanitarian crisis in Sudan, and the fragile political situation in Somalia, which is still battling extremism while trying to build a stable state. Each of these internal conflicts creates an opening for foreign powers to intervene, picking sides and pursuing their own agendas, which often complicates any chance for lasting peace. So, what does the future hold? Let's consider a few scenarios for the next decade. In the best-case scenario, the massive investments could lead to shared economic prosperity, encouraging regional integration and cooperation. Diplomatic efforts might succeed in resolving old conflicts, creating a more peaceful Horn of Africa. But there's a darker possibility. The escalating drone warfare and intense geopolitical competition could ignite a wider regional conflict, destabilizing the Red Sea and sending shockwaves through the global economy. The Horn could become a proxy battleground for global powers, with devastating consequences for its people. The story of the Horn of Africa is a powerful reminder that in our interconnected world, no conflict is truly local. The drones in its skies, the ships in its ports, and the money in its banks are all part of a global struggle for power and influence. What happens here matters to all of us, and understanding this hidden war is key to understanding the future of our world. Thank you so much for joining me on this deep dive. If you found this analysis insightful, please hit that like button and subscribe to eGreen channel for more content that goes beyond the headlines. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next video.